Hi, I just want to show you this fantastic dog kennel that I just put together. It measures 59 inches long and 39 inches wide. This thing is really big. It's about 24 inches high. I did not take off all the protective sheeting on the acrylic because I'm going to store it in the box and I don't want them to get scratched. Door handle is really nice. This is my carpet. This does not come with it. It can be used for a whelping box, but it doesn't come with a pad, so you might want to keep that in mind. It was so easy to put together. It took me less than 15 minutes to put all the pieces together. I think it's great. You can use it for a number of different things. Playpen, potty training. I like it. I think you might too. Thanks for watching.